All right, y'all. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make canned pears. So these are some pears that came off of a tree that a guy was nice enough to let us pick them because he said he wasn't going to do anything with them. So that's a 5-gallon bucket of pears in the sink. And right here is the ones I peeled already. So that's another 5-gallon bucket of pears right there. So I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to can them, put them in a jar, and we're going to keep the peelings and going to keep the core of the pear. And my brother is going to show me how to make pear wine, old school pear wine that our uncles and stuff used to make back in the day. So let me get busy and finish peeling these pears, and I'm going to show y'all us canning the pears. I'm not going to show y'all the wine process. That's a secret. All right. Right there is all the peeled pears. And my darn thumb is tired. So I'm going to take a break. I'm going to take these pears and going to slice them. And going to start the process. All right. And right there is the peelings of the pears. Okay. Like I say, going to take those peelings and going to take the core of that pear and make pear wine like old school. Okay. There go the pear core right there. And right here is the pears. All right. Right in my pot right here, I have 12 cups of water and I have 9 cups of sugar. So I'm going to let this come to a simmer, and then I'm going to add some lemon juice to this. Then we're going to add the pears to it. All right, y'all see that it's coming to a simmer. Let's put in about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, so I got some lemon juice in there. Ooh, look how it fizzing. Okay, lemon juice help preserves it and also help keeps the pears looking cute and not all brown. Okay, and let's add the pears to this. I'm adding about 16 cups of pears to this. Okay, I measured it out. Okay, I put in the 16 cups of pears. Okay, now I'm gonna let this come to a simmer. Then I'm gonna, after it comes to another simmer, I'm gonna let it. So when it comes to like a boil, I'm gonna turn it down, let it simmer for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna turn it off and be ready to put in the jars. There's my jars and lids. I got them sitting in boiling hot water. Okay. Okay, y'all. They've been cooking in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. I let them go a little longer because these pears was very, very hard. Okay, and I want them a little bit al dente. Okay, so now I can go and turn this off. Okay, now let's get the jars together. I'm gonna put the pears in the jar, then I'm going to put the liquid in it and seal them off. Okay, and that is how you preserve fresh pears from the tree. Okay, isn't that beautiful? Just the countryside of me, y'all. The blind beauty chef. Just the country blind beauty chef. My grandma taught me how to make all this stuff, and my mama. I'm actually at my mama's house doing this now. I'm not at my house. I'm at my mom's house. So I'm going to get her to help me put these in the jars because I do not want to burn myself with this hot liquid. Okay, see y'all when I jar them up. All right, look at there. I got the pears in the jar, and these are pint jars, which is 2 cups. This batch made 7. Okay, now I'm about to put the liquid in it. All right, I got the juice in each jar, y'all. So I just took my my lids out of the hot water. So I'm gonna put that on top right there. And I'm about to get my rim. Okay. And let me do the rest of them. And I'll show y'all the final results. All right, y'all. That go the finale of my pear preserves. It made 11 pint jars. Okay. And y'all know a pint is 2 cups. So 2 times 11, 22 cups. All right, there we go. Can't wait to taste some with some pancakes. And that is how you make pear preserves. The blind bearded chef Z, the old country boy.